Frank with Stonelink Property Manager here at 18 Laundry Street, Unit C101, Woonsocket, Rhode Island. It's a 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent. Start your inventory when you walk in. Got your living and dining room area here. High ceilings, big windows. Lots of natural light coming through. New flooring throughout. The kitchen area, here you got countertop and cabinet space. Gas stove, refrigerator. Make our way hallway to my left. You got a smaller bedroom here, could fit a queen set still. Make our way down the hallway. You got a linen closet to my left. Bedroom number 2, big enough for a queen set. Get your bathroom to my left here. Shower tub and vanity. To my right. Bedroom number 3, big enough for a queen, possibly a king set. And then across the hall, you got bedroom number 4, big enough for a queen set. I'd like to apply for 18 Laundry Street at C101. It's Rhode Island. Click that apply now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult want to fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.